In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Parisian Beauty Suite. Super pretty card. So for this card, I used both stamp sets bundles from the suite. I've stamped this Eiffel Tower and used this die to cut it out for the background. And then I've also used the Forever Blossoms and Cherry Blossoms dies. So I've used the large flower and the little flowers and the leaves and then cut those out. And it's got all these nice little dies as well. So I'm gonna start with a piece of cherry cobbler. And I've also got a piece of crumb cake that is 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. And I'm going to stamp a little sentiment. I think it's in French. Is it in French? No, it's in English. And I'm just gonna stamp that a little bit randomly in the middle so that can kind of be seen through the oval, through the window. Oh, that's terrible. I'll hide that with the Eiffel Tower. Am I gonna be able to hide that with that? No, we're gonna start again. All right, so let's try and get this straight this time. Okay, that's better. All right, so now I'm going to adhere this down to the card. And then I have cut out an oval and embossed this cherry cobbler cardstock with the Parisian Flourish embossing folder, which is really gorgeous. And I'm gonna add some white ink to really make it pop. So I'm gonna get out my Whisper White craft ink and I'm gonna grab a little sponge dauber and I'm going to really lightly, I'm gonna set this aside, rub on top. So I'm just gonna keep rubbing all the way around. And just really lightly, and you see how everything is just really popping up? So now I'm going to add some dimensionals to the back of this because I want it to be like a window so I can pop it up. So I'm going to put lots of dimensionals on it. But first, I have already stamped and cut out the Eiffel Tower and flowers. So I'm gonna use, this is a guide to kind of show me where I should put the Eiffel Tower. So I've got some flowers and some leaves. And then the Eiffel Tower, I think, should be right about here. Maybe just scoot it over a little bit. And then I'll place this on top. Okay, so I need to move it down because I want the tip to show. And then if I put that on there, it's covering too much of it. So I need to move it over. So I'm gonna move it over to about here. So I'm gonna add some adhesive. I don't really want it to be in the middle though. So I am just gonna go ahead and put it right there. So now I can add this. And I like to use dimensionals because then it's going to look like a window, like you're looking out your balcony in Paris and you see the Eiffel Tower and there's flowers on the veranda. So pretty. Let's all go there today. So we're gonna add this on top. And then I'm gonna see kind of where I'm gonna place this. So I'm gonna put a dimensional on these two flowers and then adhesive on the rest. So I've got this flower and this flower and then some adhesive. And I'm going to place this on the card. So probably right about there. That turned out nice. And then I'm gonna add these flowers and leaves. So for the flowers, I did mini dimensionals on the edges because I kind of wanted them to peek over the window a little bit. but I didn't want them to be completely, is that gonna show? I think I did that one too close to the edge, so I'm gonna remove it and see if it'll, okay. So now I'm gonna add adhesive as well and put one flower here and whoop, do adhesive and put one flower on the other side. And then I'm gonna add a whole bunch of leaves. I cut out extra. Might be too many. We'll see. So here's one here. Kind of going like that. And then another one on the other side. There we go. And then definitely one down here. And then maybe one up here. Yeah, I think that's too many. All right, we'll just stick with the 3. All right, so that is the card. So go to my website, estampin.com. Be sure to check out this suite. And if you place an online order, I will send you a free gift if you use this hostess code. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.